On the board, you have calculate the size of the marked angle X. If you watch now, look at this. We have different lines coming out from this. And from this, I'm having angle on the straight line. This angle on the straight line. And you have angle on the straight line as well. And that angle on the straight line, there is a 90-degree sign. Then an angle here. This angle here means 90 degree. Now, there comes the question. Calculate the size of the angle marked X. We have to calculate for this X. Now, how do we search for this X here right now? In order to search for this X, first of all, we need to solve for this side, and this side. So anything we get here, we call it angle on a straight line. So I can be able to solve for this X here. Very simple. Already we have our 90 degree. Because whenever you see an angle like this angle represents 90 degrees. So already here is 90 degrees. Now we'll call here, let's call here Y. Here is Y. Now let's call here Y. So we can be able to solve for this. So when we solve for this, we're able to get our Y. We'll call it angle on the straight line again, which will give us the X. So it will be our solution. Solution will be Y plus 36 degree plus 90 degree. I told you here is 90 degree. This angle means 90 degree. Angle 90. That's the meaning of this angle. Angle 90 degree. So equal to 180. Now what will be the quote? Angle on a straight line. Angle on a straight line. Watch, the angle is on a straight line. So it will be Y plus this will give us 126 degree. Look at it. When you take 1 and put it to be 126 degree, which is 1 equal to 180 degree. So what should I do now? You collect your items. Y equal to 180 minus 126. Y is equal to 126 minus this will give you 54 degree. Now, since we've gotten our Y now, this is our Y. Now, in order to get X now, you to become angle on a straight line. Look at it. There's another angle on a straight line here. Look at it here. So we use this like this. Now, to solve for the Y, angle on a straight line, to solve for our Y. Now, to solve for it now, I'll solve it this way. So it will now be X plus Y equal to 180 degree. The same angle on a straight line. Angle on a straight line. Angle on a straight line. Now, here we have our X. We are looking for the X. It will be X plus, what is our Y? Our Y now is 54 degree equal to 180 degree. So we collect our items. It will be X is equal to 180 minus 54, which will give us the same 126 degree. So our X is 126 degree. Thank you.